Hey gang, welcome back to Sweet Willy's Kitchen. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's getting through the winter. We're getting into spring, and which means good weather, all that other good stuff. We're going to be doing, with the warmer weather, we're going to be doing some more work on the grill. And one of the things that we like to do on the grill is your steaks and all those things, but they can get a little pricey. So we've come up with a cut that maybe a lot of people don't know is eye-round. And we're going to be doing that, but we're going to be doing a product demo review today of the B4 digital wireless meat thermometer, okay? This unit here, I'll do an unboxing here, comes all complete here with the main charging station, and you get two probes, okay? And with the charging cord. Charge it overnight. It takes 2 minutes to charge the probes. The probes on a full charge will give you 40 hours worth. I don't know anything in the slow cooker that's going to take 40 hours. You're going to get a good charge out of this. The probes are made out of 304 stainless steel. The Bluetooth has a distance of 100 meters, or here in the United States, that's 328 feet. Just pretty far. In most cases, you're going out on your deck, doing things, so that's going to be just fine. The other item is that the maximum temperature is 300 degrees Celsius or 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, more than enough space to do any cooking that requires the use of a digital thermometer. It's not for microwave use. We like to hand wash these, so I wouldn't put the probes in the dishwasher. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this eye round. What I did is I salted it, wrapped it up overnight, and then we're going to put some little canola oil on it, some more salt, sear it, and we're going to put it in a 225 degree oven. I'm going to cook it low and slow. I guess a pretty tough cut of meat that'll help make it more tender. The other thing what we did is, before we started this, we took it out of the refrigerator and let it get up to temperature for about an hour and a half. And you could do that with all your steaks. Put them out, take them out of the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or so. That'll get the temperature up and also reduce the cooking time, because everything's related to your temperature. So we're going to start this, and I'll use a couple screenshots on the app. The app is wonderful. To start this up, we push our button, okay? And that starts the home screen, and then the timing of the probes. So you're going to have about 2 minutes and you'll be able to use these probes. And the app is really cool. It is the B4 app, B-F-O-U-R app. You get that on either your Android or your Apple apps. And it's going to show the black probe and the white probe. We would do our, hit the find, draw the probe, there we go. Okay, shows it, they are connected. We are going to use the black probe. We're going to use the beef and set the temperature. And there we go. Now it's set. Okay. So we're going to get this started. I'm hoping you guys could hear me over the fan. We want to get the exhaust fumes because we're going to be searing this meat. We got a cast iron skillet. That's where we're going to sear it. And we are also going to do the actual cooking in it. Here is the eye round that we talked about. We put some canola oil on it, and then we're just going to put some kosher salt on it. All right, and remember, we've also salted this last night, so this should be very well seasoned. So I'm going to get this up to temperature. We put some canola oil in the pan. We got the fan on for smoke. We don't want the smoke alarms going off. And pretty soon we'll be able to get this seared. And once we get this seared all around to get a nice crust, then we'll leave this thing in the pan, put it in the oven. Before we put it in the oven, we're going to put the probe in. Now the probe here, like I said, stainless steel, and in here is that little notch, and that's how far we put it inside the meat to get a good reading. And then we'll show you a screenshot of what the app looks like. About 2 minutes. All right, we want to build up that crust. Okay, now it's ready to go. Like this, put this right up into the line. We're going to put this in the oven and then we'll do the app and I'll show you the progress. So we are back, and as you can see, we've hit our temperature according to the app. Now what we're going to turn the oven off, and then we are going to change the target temperature to 130. So as it's still in the oven, as it's resting, the temperature will go up to 130 and we'll be perfect. So let's change this up again. Okay, gang, we are back. All right, everything has been taken out of the oven. We took our probe out. We wiped it off. Again, we don't want to put these in the microwave at all, okay? So let's review what we have here. We have the B4 wireless meat thermometer. You get 2 probes, 2 stainless steel probes that when fully charged, takes 2 minutes to charge them. You get 40 hours worth of charge. The charging station, okay, you charge that overnight and you get 60 hours worth of charging, 40 hours on the probes. So let's cut this open, all right? We'll use our slicer here. I'd say we did pretty good. That's some tender meat. Yeah, good coloring. Outstanding. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank the folks at B4 for sending me the wireless meat thermometer. You guys be well, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.